Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you about that how you focus on your goal. So let's start. In a small town surrounded by mountains and flowing rivers, there lived a young man named Arman. From an early age, Arman was known for wanting his dream, while others were content with small achievements. Arman dreamed of building something that would change not only his life but the lives of those around him. He wanted to become a great engineer, designing bridges and towers that would stand as symbol of human determination. But the journey to his dream was not easy. Life constantly tried to distract him, to pull him away from his goal. What kept him going? Focus. This is his story, and in his story you will find your own. Number 1. The first spark. At the age of 12, Arman stood on the bank of the river and watched a bridge collapse due to poor construction. That day something changed inside him. He didn't just feel sadness, he felt a calling. I will build a bridge that never falls, he said. Everyone laughed. A boy from a poor family with no resource, what could he do? But Arman didn't care. He had seen something, he had a goal. That's how focus being, not with the mind but with the heart. Number 2. The power of purpose. In high school, Arman was tempted by many things. Friends invited him to parties, other mocked him for studying too much. Some even tried to distract him with quick money and fake praise. But every time Arman felt lost, he returned to the image of that bridge, the one that fell, and the dream of building a better one. His mother once told him, when you have a strong enough why the how, find its a way. This was his why. To build, to serve, to leave something behind that matter. Number 3. The distraction of life. When Arman reached college, he was surrounded by distraction like never before: social media, parties, comparison with others. Love, heartbreak, life tried everything to pull him away. He failed his first engineering exam. He felt broken. He sat alone in the library and thought, is this dream even possible? But then he remembered a line from a book he once read. Don't measure your success by today's result. Measure it by your commitment to keep moving forward. He got up, whipped his chair, and studied until morning. That was the moment Arman learned that focus is not natural, it is trained. Number 4. The practice of disciplines. Arman began to change his life slowly. He woke up every day at 5 a.m. He kept a journal. He limited his spoon use. He created a study schedule. He surrounded himself with driven people. His friends said he was boring now, but he didn't care. He was not living for attention. He was living for intention. Every single day, he reminded himself, I am not here to impress, I am here to build. That's when things started to shift. Number 5. The Valley of Failure. In his final year, Arman had the chance to present a design project that could get him a scholarship abroad. He worked for 4 months straight, but when he presented, the judge rejected his design. One judge said this is amateur work. Arman was shattered. He wanted to quit, but then he remembered the bridge. He went back home, took a day of silence and reflected. Then he said to himself, I didn't come this far to come this far. He got up, redesigned the entire project from scratch. and submitted it to an international competition. He didn't care about winning, only about doing it right. Number 5. The reward of focus. Months later, Arman got a letter. He had won first prize in the International Design Challenge. Not only that, but he was offered a full scholarship in one of the world top university. The same people who mocked him now celebrated him. But Arman had changed. He no longer needed validation. His focus had made him calm, clear and quiet. He had realized something. Focusing on your goal is not about doing more. It's about doing less but doing it right. Number 6. The lesson of time. At university, Arman faced never bigger challenge. He competed with the world's best minds. Sometimes he felt like an outsider, but by now he had mastered his inner game. He didn't chase trend, he didn't fear failure, he didn't compare. He focused. 1 hour of focused effort was better than 10 hours of distracted work. He understood the value of deep work, of time spent fully immersed, and he learned to say no to distraction, to drama, to anything that didn't serve his goal. Number 7. The test of temptation. After graduating, Arman received job offer from companies that paid him more than we ever imagined. Luxury car, international travel, prestige, but they asked him to work on projects that didn't align with his value. Shortcut, corruption, unethical designs. It was a test. Would he sell his focus for money or protect his purpose? Arman said no. He turned down the offer. People called him foolish, but he didn't care because he knew something. A focused life is not about having everything. It is about choosing the right thing. Number 8. Building the unshakable bridge. Arman returned to his hometown with his saving and support from honest partner. He began designing a new bridge, that one he had dreamed of since he was 12. It took 3 years. Many sleepless nights, delays, doubt, but this time Arman didn't waver. He was no longer chasing success. He was serving a mission. The bridge was completed. It was strong, beautiful and efficient. It was called the Bridge of Vision. Number 9. The power of one goal. The day the bridge opened, an old man came to Arman and said, "Do you know how many lives this bridge will save? How many people will reach hospitals, foster children to school, good to market? You have not built a bridge, you have built a future." Arman smiled. He had done what many thought impossible. Not because he was the smartest, not because he had money, but because he had focus. Number 10. The final message. Years later, Arman gave a speech to young students. He said, "You don't need 100 talent. You don't need 1,000 likes. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You just need one thing, a clear goal, and the courage to say no to everything that takes you away from it. When you talk with focus, even failure becomes your friend. People will doubt you. Life will test you. But remember, storms don't stop a ship that stay on course. Stay focused, your bridge is waiting." Moral of the story. Focus is not magic, it is a decision repeated daily. A focused person doesn't avoid failure, they learn from it. A focused person doesn't change everything. They choose one thing and go deep. A focused person is not always loud, but they are always clear. You don't have to be a genius, you just have to focus like one. And when you do, even the impossible becomes possible. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new on my channel, you subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, so ask from me in comment box, share, like, everything, give to my video. Thank you.